Hello students, in the previous video we have studied what is equality. This is one of our fundamental right. Now today we are going to start chapter number 1, equality. Basically equality means samanata, where we all are given the same kind of treatment. As our constitution say that we have right to vote. Okay, that is one of our equality. You can see over here there is a line shown which shows that we all are equal in our country. Now you can see over here there are few ladies standing. They are domestic workers. Domestic workers are the ladies which work or serves home to home. They sweep out the home, they clean out the utensils over there. So you can see over here the first one is teacher, second is trader, third is student, and the two at the back is domestic worker. In the next page also you will be able to see there are few people standing in the line. One of them is artisan, housewife, consultant, government officer, media person, unemployed, and industrialist. They all are having the different your categories. Some are rich, some are poor, some are working, some are not working, some are students, some are of a high industries, workers. So, but they all are treated equally in our society. Now come back to the page. In this you can see there is a scenario given of a voting day where there are two friends, Kanta and Sujata. They are standing in a line to vote out. They have assumed that they will be voting a person who has promised them to give a water pipeline in their area. Now this is a scene which are showing that we are voting. In this vote we all are treated equally. No one is shown that you are poor or you are rich, that you will be standing in the front or at back, or you are of a girl, you are a boy, you will be standing in front or back. We all are treated equally. On the next page, when we are seeing after casting a vote, Sujata and Kanta are just seeing off someone, okay, and then Kanta was saying that she will be on time. Again, in the next scenario, you can see over here that Kanta and Sujata are talking about the work that she have to go. The Kanta has to go to Saib's house to work out. Then she will be asking for some advance to get her child who is ill medicine. Okay, after that this is a scene shown over here where Kanta lives. This is a slum area where she lives and have all kind of facilities. Do you think she is in a appropriate area? No, there is a garbage thrown all over. The people living over there are not in a proper and appropriate condition. Okay, when we saw over there in the line, we saw that all are treated equally. But do you think in this scenario there is equality? I don't hope so. You can see over here the lady Kanta is working and the owner is sitting on the seats. That shows there is a discrimination, social discrimination. A Kanta working over here is a poor and the one sitting on the seat is a rich. Now there is equality? I don't hope so. You can see over here in the next scenario the Kanta is getting some advance from her household lady. So she says that don't make it a habit. In spite of having some problem at her home, she is asking and she says no ma'am. Okay, this shows the scenario or our mind setups. Next to it you see a line standing over here. This is a line of a government hospital where Kanta was working for a whole day and she got tired. Now also she has to take her daughter at her shoulder because she is ill. But does you think the same will be happening with the Sahib? No, because they were going to the private hospitals where they were treated properly, and here in the government hospital basically your poor people comes where they have to stand in a line to get the medicines, and you must have gone through the government hospitals. The scenario is also not proper over there. Okay, now let's see over the new topic, universal adult franchisee. According to universal adult franchisee, it is that everyone is treated equally. Everyone has the right to cast their vote up till they achieve the age of 18 years. अगर कोई 18 साल से ऊपर का हो जाता है तो उसको वोट डालने का अधिकार है. ये नहीं देखा जाएगा कि वो पुअर है, रिच है, वो गर्ल है या बॉय है या वो किस कास्ट का है. Everyone will be given the same rights. Okay, now we are coming to the another case. Do you think there is equality now? As the law, there is equality, but in a social background, there is no equality. Let us see, we have seen a case of Kanta. Let us see now two other cases showing us inequality in our society. When you come to this page, you are going to see other kinds of equality. Okay, what kind of equality we are going through? We are going through a democratic India equality. Okay, there are different kind of castes living over here. Do you think they all are given the same kind of preference? As for me, yes, they are given, but in the eyes of law. When you go through the law areas, you get equality, or the government sector area, you get equality. But do you think in society we are getting equality? No, there is inequality on the basis of caste system. Okay, now let us see some of the examples. Can you see this? These are the newspaper cuttings. Okay, that shows that whenever a person is going to be married, he is going for a matrimonial sites. He is not seeing the person, he is seeing his caste, that the person he is going to have for his life partner should be of his own caste. Now let us see two of the stories that shows inequality in our society. First story is of a person or a boy. His name is Om Prakash Valmiki. In the previous class, you must have studied about the word Dalit. Dalit means broken caste. Okay, broken caste means the persons those who come from the low class category or low caste. Now these peoples are just not shown that they are a part of our society. Now let us see the story of Om Prakash Valmiki. Om Prakash Valmiki wrote a book. His name of the book was Jhutan. Okay, in this he has shown the scenario of our society at that time. Means he has shown that what he has to face when he was in the school. As he was in the school, he was of a low category or low caste. The students were not showing him proper treatment. Although when he went to the class, the students used to snatch out the things from him. Next to it, we are going through the thing. Headmaster also used to ask Om Prakash Valmiki to clean up the school and playground instead of studying. Although he was coming to school to study, but as he was of a small caste or a Dalit caste, so he was not allowed to study over there and asked to sweep out the school. Although he was having a weak physique as he was small, but he has to clean out. And his face was covered with dust. Now we are going to see the next page. In this page, you are able to see that once what happened when he was cleaning out the school, his father saw him doing all that. Okay, so he called up a teacher and he said that he is a teacher. He has to respect all the students, have to show same kind of treatment to all. He said he will not take out his student, that is Om Prakash Valmiki, from the school, but he will show the face of the society to him also. Okay, now we are going through the next story. This story is of a caste system, that is Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Mr. and Mrs. Ansari were having money, so they were willing to have an apartment for a rent from a property dealer. When they went to the property dealer, they asked to find a place. When the property dealer he find out that there is a place, but when they showed him, he was fine with them. Mr. and Mrs. Ansari were willing to get it on rent. But what happened? When the lady came to know that Mr. and Mrs. Ansari of a different caste, she denied, saying that she cannot allow any non-vegetarian residents over here, as the people will face some kind of problem. Accepting it, the people went somewhere else. But then also the property dealer asked them to change their name, that is to Mr. and Mrs. Ansari to Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, so that they can get a reluctant place. Reluctant means एक सही जगह जहाँ पे वो रह सकते थे. Okay, because of their caste, they were not getting proper space to live in. Okay class, next we'll study in the next class. Thank you.